I made 5 different visualizations for Midi notes or notes on a keyboard. The first one is very straightforward. Each note produces a bar that falls from the top, and the length of the bar depends on how long the note is held down, and the position and color of the note is based on the actual note itself. The second visualization is very similar, except it makes the new bars originate from the center, and they are distributed in a radial pattern. And the idea is that the spread of the notes is 360 degrees. The third visualization is I'm creating circles, and the thickness of the circle is based on how long the note is being held down. The fourth visualization are color pulses, and the pulsing is proportionate to the frequency of a note that's being played. So when I'm playing multiple notes at the same time, or chords, you can see how the different oscillating patterns play off of each other. This is a similar thing where I have a line going up and down, originating from the bottom, based on the frequency of the note. And once again, the idea is to illustrate how a chord and different harmonies work with each other. The more harmonious something is, the more often you'll see the lines converge at the bottom at the same time. And the less harmonious or dissonant a combination of notes are, the less often you'll see them converge together at the bottom. So you get to see the oscillating patterns kind of dance with each other. And this final visualization, I'm creating circles that originate from the center, and they oscillate the same way that the lines did, where it goes from the center to the outside and back to the center, each individual note. And it does that at the rate of the frequency of the note, but slowed down by 500 times.